Okay, this was so stupid. Can you imagine that? I was videoing the place and then these useless policemen just come up there and say, I can't video anymore. And it was so stupid. They actually snatched my key. They actually snatched my key, my camera and everything. They're like, yeah, you have to stop. And everything like that. It's really annoying. Really, really annoying. I wonder why. But there's nothing I can do. So let's go. But at least somebody, a gentleman, somebody who has sense and can think with his mind, somebody who has a brain, came over and recognized that I was a guest in this hotel and allowed me to go with my belongings. This car would have been left in my hand in the police. I want it. I really want it. I'm just gonna go upstairs now. Close. Oh, finally. Okay. I'm going to my floor, which is level 10. Yeah. 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see. La la la. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Do 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 da 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 da. Da 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 da. Do do do. Do 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 do. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. This is nice. Let's see, we find out.